welcome us all to today's Financial Partners Workshop with CarBank. CarBank is one of our financial partners for handling our Edify loans to our partner schools. And every year we do a workshop to look at how far the partnership has gone, the achievements so far, and areas that we need to help augment and improve. And this workshop has been organized to take care of that. We are going to review the FY, look at the partnership and how far it's gone. We'll brainstorm and also look at the best way forward. We are trusting that there will be insights, there will be new ideas for improving the partnership, and we are believing that at the end of it, we will know the way to go and strengthen the partnership. We seek to get more loans going, and when we are done sharing the ideas, we are believing that we'll be able to serve our schools better, communicate well, and also get our partnership also strengthened as a result.
So one of the good partnerships that we've been able to secure as a bank is to be in partnership with Edify. And the whole arrangement is, as we are making profit and making our stakeholders happy, we are also looking back and saying that we took this group of people from a very low point, and we are not only interested in their deposits, we are not only interested in taking interest from them, but we're interested in their transformation. Complete transformation is what we are looking at.
I'm very excited to be part of this program. Having been in a commercial space and over the past 1 year, having listened to the calls of clients, knowing when we are coming back into lending, I find this partnership finally giving us the opportunity to come back to the market to support them. The fact that we are willing to support schools holistically, not only limited to financing, but their overall development, offering them advisory services, how to scale up in their businesses, how to improve upon their operations. These are very, very, very key things that a school practically needs. For the bank, we believe that you should not be interested only in the returns that you are making from transactions with clients, but instead, you should be so much interested in the impact. So one of the things that we are looking at is to run through a journey with the clients, taking them from where they are and making sure that when we start these relationships with them, at the end of the day, we should see clear progress.
We are excited to have this workshop with the CarBank team. CarBank is our lending partner in Ghana. Currently, they provide loans with the least interest rates, and so they are serving a lot of our schools, and it's exciting to see that the partnership is growing, and that the more engagements we have like today means that they continue to understand who we are and what we seek to do, and we also understand where they are and where they want to go and how we can come alongside them to be able to help them to achieve their goals. This together would improve the schools, so the schools at the end will be the biggest beneficiaries of this.
So this training, I believe, even though it's a refresher, because we've had this over the years, but this is very impactful, this is very gentle, very impactful, and I think that my customers and the customers of the bank are going to benefit immensely from this, especially those who are with Edify. And I'm going to ensure that most of the customers that we have who are not currently with Edify to be on Edify, to get registered on Edify, because they have a lot of benefits to give them, from training, support for infrastructure, computer systems, IT systems, and I guess it's going to be a massive support and impactful venture that we're going to embark on. And I'm advising all and sundry to be part of this course. And to my colleagues, Western Region team members, I think we've been crying for this, we've been asking for this. It is now here, but we should all make it happen and make Edify and Carbank proud.
I think it's been impactful. One of the things that I'm happy to hear is that we are able to have to know the status of all our customers on Edify platform, whether they are their categories, and be able to assess them. I mean, over the years, our funding has been very impactful, and we are happy to have this refresher to have more impact on the customers or the schools that we deal with.
We don't give loans to school proprietors to buy the new Mercedes-Benz or BMW. It has to go to financing some aspect of the school, like classrooms, purchasing of a new land for the school to relocate, school buses, and some of the school buses are extremely expensive, so not the luxurious buses, but the buses like vans that will transport students from one community to the other.
Taking a lot out of this training and hoping to impact it to the partner schools that we'll be working with. I must also say that Carbank Edify partnership, it's a very impactful partnership, and we assure you that you definitely see the impacts that Carbank will make at the end of the financial year.
Schools that should receive the loan must be Edify partner schools. And we have all the partner schools in our financial partners portal, that is the FPP. And then the repayment methods can be daily, because some schools receive daily fees. So you may have to come up with a repayment program that enables them to pay daily, weekly, monthly, or termly. And then the loan amount capping. So based on the IPM is the integrated program model. D'Acosta talked about that, our client school, core school, and then champion school. When you are a client school, the maximum cap you are entitled to is $20,000 equivalent.
Edify is a wonderful intervention that should be explored by almost every educational institution, especially from the basic level. The fact that they are partnering you for growth, perpetual growth, the fact that they are partnering the bank for perpetual growth of schools that are less endowed and they don't really mind the location, bettering the lives of the schools and the pupils, giving them the chance that most institutions are unable to provide. You can partner Carbank to get into this program, and I believe that with the support they provide, every institution that partners them should do well.
When you go to their end of year annual meetings that they do, and you see what these funds Edify is using to support students in these schools and the schools as well, it tells you that there's much more work to be done, and I am so grateful for Edify. This is a partnership we intend never to end. Today's training, it was essential to the partnership going forward. We have new arrows and old arrows as well, and this is a refresher course for all of us, and I think it just reminded us of how important this partnership is and what we have to do.